everyone to this lesson. In this lesson, I'll be telling you about these paragraph settings. So let's get started. So for paragraph settings, we obviously need a paragraph. So I've got this paragraph, but you can take any paragraph for practice. So first two tools are bullets. So if you want to showcase some points, you can just add bullets. For example, this. Now you can enter and enter here. Now we have 3 points in our paragraph. And if you want to customize these bullets, you can go to this drop down menu and go to bullets and numbering. Then you can increase its size, for example 130, and then you can change its color, for example light blue. Then you can hit OK. Now these bullets are a little bigger and they have this light blue color. And if you don't want these dots to be your bullets, you can go to this second tool, and then here you have these number and letter bullets. Let me just go to none. Next are left align, center align, right align, and justify. So currently our text is left align. So if you click on center align, our text is center aligned to the text box, and if you go to right align, our text is right aligned to our text box. And if we click on justify, it's both left and right aligned. Justify is best for long paragraph. It just gives more clearer and crisper look to your paragraph. Let me just go back to left align. Next we have columns. So if you want to add some columns to your paragraph, you can do so right here. So let's say you want 4 columns. I can go to more columns, and in the number I can go to 4. And now we have 4 columns, and if you want some more space in between, you can just go to more columns, and here in the spacing you can add 4 centimeters, and now there is a lot of space between these columns. Let me just go back to 1 column. Next we have line spacing. So if you want your lines to have a lot of space in between, you can just go there and click on any spacing that you like, for example 2.5. Now we have a lot of space between our lines, and if you want them to be tightly packed, you can just go to 1.0, and now these lines are tightly packed. Let me just undo it. Next we have text direction. So if you want your text to be rotated all the way to 90 degrees or 270 degrees or stacked up, you can go to this tool. Next we have this alignment tool. So if you want your text to be on the top, middle, or bottom of your text box, you can go to this tool. And the last tool is the Smartart, but I will not be discussing it now because in the later lessons I'll be talking about Smartart, and this actually is the wrong way to generate Smartart, so I'm not discussing it for now. Okay, I'll meet you in the next lesson.